Well, what a game we have in store for you today. The hype has been building all week and the fans... Well, just the sort of weather the fans were hoping for this evening. It's absolutely ideal. I'm your match commentator, Derek Ray, and my partner, ready to bring you all the analysis and technical talk, is Stuart Robson. And it's all about action from MLS. It's the San Jose Earthquakes against the Los Angeles Galaxy.
Well, thanks, Derek. The best coach I played under would always tell us before kick-off, earn the right to play. If you can win your individual battles, outrun your opponent, eventually you'll get the space to show your ability. I'm sure that's being echoed by the coaches here today.
And now they get the ball rolling. Cade Cowell. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Ibobisi. He'll try his luck here. Oh, really good reflexes and danger averted. And the short option preferred. That's a useful cross. Got to it easily, the keeper. Rodriguez. Here's Hernandez. Ball's gone. Monteiro. Ibobisi. Espinosa with it. Really vital interception here. It is a decent looking attack here. Goalkeeper's ball every day of the week. Carlos Grueso. Acapo. And taking it away. Ibobisi. Opportunity to deliver the cross. Oh, incredible save, and he's snuffed out any sign of danger. And he's knocked it out of play, so a throw-in is the decision. That's fine play to keep control of the ball. Well, it's a really poor challenge. Now, what's the referee going to do about it? Well, it was apparently a bookable offence.
Well, no debate over that one. It's a yellow card all day long.
And scope for them to produce something exciting. A chance for them to provide a test in the form of a corner. Favouring the short one. Inside he goes. Well, what an opportunity that was.
Well, that's a great chance to open the scoring. It's a poor effort in the end.
Ibobisi. Useful looking ball. Played into the box. Missing the target by a tiny margin.
Well, it's a difficult skill to get right, but he almost pulled it off there. He made such good contact with the ball.
Possession changing hands. And a free kick awarded by the referee. Gaston Brugman. Very quick thinking there. This might be the perfect counter-attacking opportunity. And it looked like open road for them, but up a dead end. Hernandez. He's got space. And a significant block following that cross. Giving the ball to the opposition that time. He might be able to profit from the wide position. Will it lead to the goal that puts them ahead? Defensive excellence there. Oh, in with a chance. Well, the keeper was called upon and delivered.
Well, he's so good in those 1v1 moments, and he's proved it yet again. Well, just listen to these fans. They're urging their team to score here and take the lead.
And the goalkeeper has outdone himself with that save. Short corner favoured. Well, he failed to get it away properly. Really bright-looking attack. Well, he would have been disappointed had he spilled that one. And given away. Well, a poor attempt at a challenge, and on he goes. Well, continues his run, but a good piece of defending to bring it to an end. And the counter looks on here, options available. Well, it fizzled out. Ewell, just not looking confident in possession. Now, far from a smooth challenge. Now, will the referee produce a card? And a yellow card it's going to be, Stuart.
Yeah, the ref's got that right. It's a yellow card all day long.
Raheem Edwards. He has teammates around him. Not too fussy in clearing his lines. A chance then for the respective managers to... So back underway, and an intriguing second half in prospect. Still pushing for that goal that would see them forge ahead. Cowell. Now the attack looks promising, but really sticking to their task defensively. Delgado. Well, no stopping him. Can they forge ahead? Well, they would have done had it not been for the keeper.
Well, they should be ahead now. Yes, it was a good save, Derek, but he should score from there.
Now, how about the short corner? Well, able to close down the shot. It did look on for them, but not to be. Chance to play it in. Can he finish? Oh, that's a fine save. Short corner taken. Can he convert? Well, straight at the goalkeeper then. Hernandez. Opportunity. Oh, a goal! They strike first, and what a way to silence the crowd.
Well, this is a very tidy finish, as you can see. He's under so much pressure, but his strength just allows him to hit through the ball cleanly. It's an excellent goal.
So underway again here, 1-0 the score. Ibobisi, nicely timed tackle. Well, we have 30 minutes to go. And plenty of scope to be creative in that wide position. Decided to take on the shot from a difficult angle. Not a memorable effort, though.
Well, you have to question the decision-making there. Could he have cut it back? The angle was always against him.
Espinosa. Acapo. A meaty but fair challenge, and it will be a throw-in. Espinosa. Crossing opportunity. He does have pressure to deal with. Well, he stumped it out of there without much fuss.
Well, these fans have had to be patient. Could this be the equaliser?
And played short. Superb block on the back of the ball from the flank. Going short. Played into the box. And a goal to square the game. Edge of the seat stuff. Back underway. Level pegging. 1 goal apiece in this game. Memo Rodriguez. And a good tackle. Espinosa. Real chance. Oh, he saved it well. And there's the delivery. Well, they couldn't take advantage of the opportunity. Teammates in the middle. Clattered away. He's going forward well here. The keeper was never likely to be in trouble then. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Well, the referee wasn't going to let that go. And following the infringement, a caution.
Yeah, no surprise there. That was always going to be a booking.
Well, clattered away. And just slightly offside. Julian Araujo. And intercepted it. Espinosa. Could cross it in here. Well, not the greatest header, but astute defending. And a substitution in the offing. Araujo. Gaston Brugman. Well, keeping it on the ground, slightly off target, however. And he has options available. All even, but will it stay that way? A fine reading of the situation. It has gone over the touchline for what will be a throw-in. And the substitution will occur now. Rodriguez. But it comes down to the final 5 minutes. Can they forge ahead? A goal! Late on! And one that silences the majority.
Well, just look at the defending here. They've made it so easy for him in the end. That's just not good enough.
Well, a dramatic moment near the end, and that might well be the decider.
Number 44, Raheem Edwards. Entering the match, number 77, Chase.
Just cutting off the supply. The referee correctly decided to play advantage. Trauco. Well, taking into account all the stoppages, 3 minutes to be added on. Now can they counter clinically? They need to get bodies back. Body on the line. Well, it was a superb counter-attack. Not such high marks for the finish.
Well, the build-up to the shot was great. Good defending, quick transition and excellent movement. It just needed a much better finish.
And the keeper dicing with danger. After the foul, a chance to contemplate what is next, and perhaps a goal from this free kick. And so the referee blows for full time, and it goes down as a victory for the visitors.
Well, Derek, what a good finish to the game that was. They just wore down the opposition, and in the end, they got their reward. That's a really good win for them.
No two ways about it. He really has brought his influence to bear on the proceedings.
Well, I thought he had a good all-round performance today. Only emphasised by the late winner. An extremely important moment, and boy, did he deliver.